Are you a real estate agent that's struggling to find leads? And you're probably getting hit up from all these telemarketers and people saying that they'll help you convert leads, they'll set appointments for you, and they'll do this and do that. Or maybe you've tried a few different lead generation sources, or you've been paying out massive referrals, 25, 50% on leads. If you're someone that falls in this bucket, you're gonna wanna watch this video because I'm gonna be outlining how you can start doing your own Google ads, no longer having to pay other people referral fees and pretty much just be lighting money on fire on how this is the actual secret to real estate success. Hey everyone, it's Russell Mortlock here at the Apex Group, and if you've been following my content for a while, you'll know how passionate I am about Google Ads, how I've personally been able to make over $1 million in commission in my real estate career just from Google Ads alone, and feel like every single real estate agent at least needs to give it a try. I know so many people out there are paying out massive referral fees or getting marketing companies to do their advertising from people that have never actually sold a home, don't know what it's like to call these people on the phone, and the objections that you constantly get. But here I've developed the Google Ads Mortlock method strategy that converts these online ads at a higher rate than anyone else. So if you're someone that wants to partner with me and let me take over your Google Ads marketing and adopt my system on how you can actually convert these leads at a higher level than anyone else and dominate your market, we'll go into the description. There's gonna be a Google form where you can fill out your information to see if you're gonna be a right partner for us in order to help you out with that service. And if you are, we'll schedule a call with you and we'll reach out and book one. Reason number one every real estate agent needs to do Google Ads is it's an immediate entry into the market. So no matter if you're new, experienced, wherever stage you are in your real estate career, it can provide you an instant lead source that you can start converting right away. I've literally had people sign up on my website through Google Ads and then showing them homes that very next day and wrote offers for them that weekend. On average, these leads convert around 5 months in a total time frame, which is the fastest converting lead source that I've came across in my real estate business. Reason number two is the quality lead generation of Google Ads. Yes, you are going to get some bad numbers. You are going to get some people that say that they're browsing. In terms of the quality of leads, these seem to be the best out there for online lead generation. The leads that you get from Google Ads are people that are searching for homes for sale in your market. So that means that they definitely are interested in seeing what at least is going on with the real estate market out there. I'm sure there's people who are watching this video right now that have done Google Ads and they just are going replaying all the objections that they get when talking to these prospects on the phone. So if you're someone that's struggling to convert these leads and you want to learn the Mortlock method to Google Ads and would like to partner with us, well then go in the description, fill out that Google form, and I would love to help you out elevate your business through Google Ads. The next reason that any agent should start out on Google is you don't have a massive budget in order to get started. I know a lot of people think you got to be shelling out thousands and thousands of dollars in order to get into the Google Ads market, when really people can do this with a relatively small budget. I personally recommend that per agent you spend between $750 to $1,000 a month per agent on Google Ads, because that's going to be getting you around the 2 to 3 leads each and every day. Seems to be about the right fit in terms of getting enough leads that you can prospect them effectively, where you're not getting too much or too little that you don't know what quite to do. The next reason is an optimal user experience, and you probably haven't heard this term before when it comes to marketing, but Google Ads seamlessly work the best on mobile phones out of any other platform for generating online leads. So why not take advantage of this and provide the best customer experience that people can use? But then there's another secret tip to that there's one website that we've battle tested with our 11,000 person database on what they deemed was the best real estate website in order to use for IDX feed. So if you're someone that wants to know what the best real estate website is, make a comment down below and I will send you a link where you can get a referral code to sign up with that website provider. It's also very, very cheap, and from all our clients and customers that have used this website, they say it's the best to search for real estate. And I'm sure you can tell with the tone of my voice, with the absolute certainty that I can speak to on Google Ads, that this is the single best lead source that any person can do as a new agent. I've personally been able to, every $1,000 that I've spent, made $24,000 in commission from my Google Ads. And I know exactly what works and what doesn't. I've battle tested each system. I've made I made 28,000 calls in this office right here, specifically just to people on Google. So I know exactly what you need to do and how to do it, and what works and what doesn't. So if you're someone that would like for me to take over your marketing, we'll go to the description and fill out that Google form. And if you end up being a right fit, we'll reach out to you to schedule a call.